Hi guys, there's my bike, my first ride of the spring. Welcome back to my channel, Filipino Journey in USA Vlog. So today, it's about 2:28 p.m. Sunday. I'm heading off to like about one street away from here. So we live in 44th Street and I'm going to my friend's house. She's a Filipina. She visited us here in our house. She is a YouTube subscriber of mine, and it happens that we just live close to each other. So we're both in Rock Island, and she just came back from Philippines. So I'm going to their house. She invited me for get together. So I'll see you there. Yep, there you go. It's my first ride. Okay. I'm now in 44th Street. I'm looking for a house number. It's chilly. Closer now. 2013. Alright. A lot of bumpiness over there. I'm not supposed to ride my bike here, but it's better safe than sorry. Okay, I should be closer now. 2013 is here. I think this is it. Alright. Oops. Okay. Hello! Where I can park my bike? Yeah. Can I put this out on the side? Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.